So we talk a ton about data in the digital factory, right? But what about the system that's actually down there on the floor, making sure the machines are running, responding, and communicating in real time? Well, that's what we're digging into today. It's called SCADA, and it's basically the bedrock of the entire smart factory. So let's get into it. I love this quote because it just nails it. Think about it. If your MES, your manufacturing execution system, is the brain, doing all the high-level planning and thinking, then SCADA is the nervous system. It's what's constantly sensing and reacting. It feels the heat, the pressure, the movement, and it responds instantly. It's literally the link between the thought and the action.
Okay, so SCADA, what does that even stand for? It's supervisory control and data acquisition, and honestly, the name tells you pretty much everything you need to know. This is the system that plugs directly into the hardware on the floor, the machines, the sensors, and those little workhorse computers called PLCs, to supervise everything as it happens, live. All right, so how does it actually work?
Well, you've got to understand, SCADA isn't just one single program you install. It's more like a stack, a system built on 4 different layers that all have to work together perfectly to give you that real-time control.
Okay, let's follow the signal. It all starts right down on the metal with sensors and devices. These are the things measuring temperature, pressure, speed, the raw physical facts. That signal then goes to the PLCs, the little controllers we talked about. Their job is to translate that physical signal into digital data. From there, all that data flows up to the main SCADA server. Think of it as the central hub, collecting and logging everything from everywhere. And finally, step 4, it all gets displayed on HMI screens. That's human-machine interface. This is the dashboard the operator sees where they can watch and control the whole process.
So when you boil it all down, SCADA has 4 main jobs. 1, it supervises what the machines are doing. Are they running, stopped, in an alarm state? 2, it lets you control them. Start this, stop that. 3, it acquires all that juicy process data like cycle times and temperatures. And 4, it visualizes all of it so a human can actually understand what's going on. So yeah, next time you see an operator running an entire line from a fancy touchscreen, you can bet you're looking at a SCADA system. Okay, so let's go back to our analogy. How does the nervous system, SCADA, actually talk to the brain, the MES? Getting this relationship right is, well, it's everything. It's the key to the whole connected factory idea. This is a perfect way to see the difference. SCADA is all about the machine. It knows, hey, that motor is running at 1500 RPM. That's its world. The MES, the brain, cares about the context. It knows, okay, that motor is running at 1500 RPM because it's making the part with serial number 12345 for this specific customer order. See the difference? One is the raw signal, the other is the business reason for the signal. And these 2 systems are talking to each other constantly. SCADA is on the front lines, sending up little messages like, cycle's done, or, uh-oh, alarm triggered, or here's a fault code. The MES takes all those little bits of raw data and turns them into something meaningful. It uses them to track production counts, to calculate big deal metrics like OEE, overall equipment effectiveness, and to handle all the traceability stuff. Honestly, this connection between the 2, it's the absolute foundation of IT and OT integration. It's the pipeline that makes the whole Industry 4.0 dream a reality. Okay, data flows are cool and all, but to really get why SCADA is so powerful, we need a real-world example. Let's look at its most important job, protecting the process, live as it happens. So, imagine this. You've got a press on a workstation, and the force it's applying starts to drift. It's not out of spec yet, but it's slowly creeping out of that perfect range. It's a huge warning sign. And boom, this is where SCADA is a hero. It's watching that live data stream, so it sees that drift happening instantly. It doesn't wait for someone to run a report an hour later. No, it immediately throws up a warning for the operator. That's the nervous system screaming, hey, something's not right here. And let's say the operator is busy, and the force actually breaches the limit. What happens? SCADA doesn't just keep flashing a light. It acts. It can be set up to automatically stop the machine right then and there, preventing even one bad part from being made. This is a huge deal. An MES would just log that a bad part was made. SCADA stops it from happening in the first place. It protects the process in the moment. So all this talk about real-time action leads to a super practical question that every factory faces. You've got all these acronyms, HMI, SCADA, MES. How in the world do you know which one you actually need? Yeah, this is the big one we hear all the time. Do we really need to go for a full SCS system, or can we get by with just a simple HMI? And the answer, really, boils down to one word: scope. Look at it this way. An HMI is perfect for controlling one single machine. But the second you need to coordinate a whole line of machines that have to work together, well, that's when an HMI just can't keep up. That's SCADA's job. It supervises an entire line or process. And the MES, that's the big boss, managing the entire production operation across the whole factory. So here's your rule of thumb. If you need to control a whole system of machines, you need SCADA. Simple as that. Okay, let's wrap this up. What's the big takeaway here? When we talk about SCADA, what are the core ideas you really need to remember? It really comes down to these 4 things. 1, it connects directly to the machines. 2, its job is that supervise, control, acquire, visualize loop. 3, it's the thing that feeds the MES all the real-time data it needs to be smart. And maybe most importantly, 4, it protects your process in real time. You know, maybe this is the best way to think about it. If the MES is the brain, SCADA is something even more vital. It's the heartbeat. It's that constant, steady pulse pumping live data through the factory's veins, keeping the whole operation alive, aware, and ready to react. It's what makes the smart factory a living, breathing thing.